MOUNTRAX sent us this foot massager so we can show you the features, let you know our thoughts. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and see what it looks like. All right, so I already have my feet in the unit, and as you can see, it is a beautiful matte black finish. And you can activate it by pushing the power on off. It does have a timed button for 15 minutes or 30 minutes, so you can activate that. 15 minutes is red, 30 minutes is blue. Heat is the power on or off, easy press. Kneading and air compression are both low, medium, and high. So if you want the kneading, you just click it 3 times over to high. If you want the air compression, you can also click that over to the high. And there you go. Mama. She keeps turning it off. Here you see you can activate it also with a remote. You have the power button, the time, kneading, air compression, and heat. So you can activate that from the remote as well. As you can see, I just turned that off. And I'm going to turn it back on here. There you go. And then you can just adjust all the other features that you want. So it feels actually very, very good. I love the way that it feels. The massage of this is probably better than the previous ones I have tried from another brand. This just feels really like a really hard therapeutic massage. The balls in here feel wonderful if you have any foot pain. The air compression is a not real tight where it's cutting off circulation, but tight enough to where you actually do feel it compressing your whole foot. That feels really good, and the heat isn't too hot, but it is kind of cozy. So I love this unit. It looks great, nice and sleek and modern looking, and it feels even better. So we would highly recommend MOUNTRAX.